Flying horse pose or Vatayanasana is an intermediate yoga pose that requires a great deal of flexibility and is part of the intermediate series of Ashtanga Yoga. The name is derived from the Sanskrit Vataya meaning horse and Asana meaning pose. Start in Tadasana. Transfer the body weight onto the left leg and allow the right foot to rise naturally off the ground. Focus the gaze on a fixed point at eye level. Or balancing on the left leg, inhale and raise the right leg higher with the hands and externally rotate the right hip joint to bend the knee and place the foot as high as possible on the left thigh in Ardha Padmasana position. This is a starting position. Inhale, raise the arms up to the ceiling to lengthen spine. Exhale, slowly bend the right knee and lower the body, maintaining balance until the left knee rests on the floor. While keeping the hands on the ground, step the left foot to the front to keep the knee on top of the ankle. Once established balance onto the foot and the knee, lift the spine up, place the hands onto the knee. Inhale, lift the spine upright. Exhale, arms to the front. The left crossover and entwine the forearms. Stay in this position as long as you can and breathe normally. In this position, try to maintain both sides of the body equal length with the chest facing forward. The left leg resists the right foot to keep the legs in this position. Exhale, release in the reverse order of movement. Inhale, stand up tall. Exhale, hands at the hips. Inhale, right foot lower down. Exhale, back to Tadasana. Advanced practitioners can practice Vatayanasana with a twist. With a twist, the stretch onto the ankle and the knee is deeply felt. Release in the reverse order of movement. Exhale, lower the hands down. Inhale, step back and straighten the left knee. Exhale the fingertips. Inhale, up to standing. Exhale, hands at the hips. Inhale, lower the right leg down. Exhale, back to Tadasana.